How to add thumbnail in your Facebook video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser on your device. Then tap on the search bar. Now type facebook.com. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now enable desktop site. Now simply tap on the profile picture. Then scroll down and find the post. Now on the video post, tap on three dots. Then tap on edit post. Now tap on the video and tap on edit. Now simply tap on change thumbnail. Now either choose suggested or simply tap on upload image. Then tap on upload image. Now select the photo. You can also select choose from video. Now at the bottom timeline, select the still frame. Then tap on save. Again tap on save. Now refresh the page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.